Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important skills you need to succeed in life, time management. Time management is the art of making the most of your time, so you can achieve your goals and enjoy a balanced life. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a busy parent, good time management skills can help you become more productive, less stressed, and more successful. So, how can you improve your time management skills? Here are a few tips. Set clear goals and priorities. The first step to effective time management is to define your goals and priorities. This will help you focus on what's important and avoid wasting time on things that don't matter. Create a schedule. Once you know your goals and priorities, create a realistic schedule for your day, week, or month. Use a planner or a digital tool to block off time for your tasks, and stick to your schedule as much as possible. Use time-saving tools. There are many tools and techniques you can use to save time, such as automation, delegation, batch processing, and so on. Experiment with different tools and find what works best for you. Minimize distractions. Distractions can eat up your time and ruin your focus. Try to minimize distractions as much as possible by turning off your phone, closing your email, or using noise-canceling headphones. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks is essential for your productivity and well-being. Take a 5 to 10 minute break every hour or so, and use this time to stretch, meditate, or do something you enjoy. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 5 tips for better time management. Remember, good time management is not about doing more in less time, but about doing the right things at the right time. So, take these tips and apply them to your daily life, and you'll soon see the benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal development and productivity.